Meanwhile, legendary former West Indies captain Sir Clive Lloyd has added his voice to the calls for the senior men's team selection panel to be expanded. Coach Darren Sammy is currently operating sole selector for all West Indies senior teams. Sammy, who is also the all-format coach for all three West Indies senior teams, has come under pressure in recent times, driven by the team's poor results across all formats. Lloyd, who was speaking on Tuesday night's edition of the Mason Guest Show on The Voice of Barbados, mentioned a specific stakeholder group who, in his opinion, should be part of the team's selection process.
We used to have 10 and 11 selectors, right? And we used to have bartering because you give me somebody and I'm going to give you, that. And it took some time to get to 5. Our scouting has got to be much better. So, and we have to have people who understand the game. And it's not if a guy makes 100 that he's the best player. The better player might be the guy who made 80.
Yes.
Or 70.
Yes.
So to me, I think we have to have umpires too, because the umpires are seeing them closer.
Involved, yes.
Selected. Or, or scouts for that matter. And they're touring. And they're seeing the different pitches and so on, and the different bowlers that they have to face.